Okay, how to make perfect French fries in the air fryer. Step one, you gotta slice your potato down into French fry size pieces. I didn't record that. But step two, you wanna do some salt and some water. You wanna boil them for about 5 minutes. After a quick 5-minute boil, let them drain. Okay, after they're drained, you wanna put them in a pan to toss them around with just a little bit of oil so they don't stick together in the air fryer. Okay, now they're in the basket. You want to get the air fryer on, just hit the French fry button. Let it go, check back in about 10 minutes, toss them around, and then after 20 minutes, take a look. Okay, 10-minute mark, I would just yank this guy out, take a look at him, shake him around, so that way everything gets evenly cooked. Throw it back in, and then forget it for the next 10 minutes. All right, when that 20 minutes are up, you just pop these puppies out, give them a little shake, dump them in a bowl, make sure you get all of them out, and then just throw some salt on top and toss. And that is how you get perfect, crispy, golden air fryer French fries every time. Like, subscribe, comment, follow along, share this video if you liked it, guys. Enjoy your French fries.